As Mark Andreessen said, software is eating the world. Today, almost all of business is controlled by software, from the ERP systems to the systems that control factories to the systems that gather data about the aeroplane engines so that you know when to maintain them. In this course, we're going to look at how you build software for web apps. In particular, we're going to look at web development, we're going to look at the front end, and we're going to then look at the back end and the data stores. So in the first course, we're looking at the languages, so JavaScript, HTML, CSS. Once we've mastered those, we're going to move to front-end development. And we're choosing the MERN stack. Today, you wouldn't develop any front end from scratch. It's far too complicated. Today's web pages, compared with how we used to develop a web page, is like comparing a horse and buggy with the Space Shuttle. So we're using the MERN stack. So that's MongoDB, Express, React, and Node. And the second course is going to focus on React, which is by far the most popular of the frameworks. Angular is another framework, Vue is yet another one, but React is twice as popular and has 4 times as many job openings. Then in the third course, we're going to look at the back end and the web stores, the APIs, and how we can test our code and deploy it. So we believe that this can open a whole new career for you. These are hands-on courses. We've got projects so that your portfolio on GitHub will be filled. By the time you finish these 3 courses, you will have at least 10 projects there. So we look forward to seeing you on these courses, and we believe that they're essential for the workforce of the future. Bye for now.